With the economy in disarray and layoffs making news, a lot of people are asking themselves how to make money online as they look for alternative sources of income at the moment. Yet, the most astute individuals are aware that earning money online is a fantastic method to free yourself from the 9-to-5 job and grant you the freedom to live anywhere you like. Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make money online. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 10. Make music, have musical ability. Look into Songfinch, which enables anyone to make money by producing and writing music. Songfinch was founded in 2016 and has the support of well-known business figures like The Week, Quincy Jones, and Doja Cat. This is how it goes. Individuals can commission a custom song from a Songfinch artist, such as anniversary odes, Christmas jingles, or birthday jingles. The songwriters maintain complete ownership of whatever they produce and work on their own schedule. Number 9. Sell handmade products. If you have a knack for creating handcrafted goods, there are many ways to sell them online and reach a large audience. Artisanship is more popular than ever. For artists wishing to sell both handmade and vintage goods, Etsy is a well-known platform. Uncommon Goods is one example of a platform for producers that is comparable but less well-known. Number 8. Take your designs to the next level. If you have a talent for design or illustration, you may use internet marketplaces to sell things with your work on them and earn money doing so. You may upload your own graphic designs or text-to-wall art, t-shirts, stationery, mugs, totes, stickers, and more with CavePress and Zazzle, for example, and get a share of the sales. Number 7. Create and sell an app. Using a service like AppyPie, which enables anybody to create applications, websites, chatbots, and more on any internet-connected device, you may design your own apps if you have a fantastic idea for one without needing to employ a programmer or agency. When the app is complete, you can sell it on the Google Play Store or the App Store. If the software is successful, it might be a very profitable way to generate passive revenue. Number 6. Do online tutoring. You can provide online tutoring services if you have experience teaching or if you are an expert in a certain area. You may work from anywhere and establish your own hours, which is a significant bonus. Check out tutor.com, Preply, and Cambly, among others. Number 5. Offer consulting services. Not just students require assistance. It's simple to provide one-on-one coaching or consulting services to people or businesses if you are an expert in a certain field, such as business, nutrition, fitness, or life. While using Skype or other video conferencing systems in the past, it required a lot of planning and advertising. By enabling business owners to design and host coaching programs, new online platforms like Kajabi make things simpler. Number 4. Become a mock juror. Speaking of jury duty, you can now earn money by serving as an online juror. That is, a fictitious juror. This is how it goes. To construct an online focus group and determine the viability of their legal argument, attorneys employ fake juries. Opportunities can be found at Online Verdict. Number 3. Start vlogging. A YouTube channel is a terrific method to make money online if you enjoy making videos and vlogging more than blogging. You may monetize your channel with advertising and sponsorships if you produce high-quality content and amass a sizable subscriber following. Twitch and Filmless are two other excellent vlogging websites. Number 2. Sell photos and videos online. You can use internet marketplaces like Shutterstock, iStock, or Adobe Stock to monetize your photography or filmmaking skills. You can publish your photographs and movies to these platforms and get paid a portion of any sales. Number 1. Start a dropshipping business. You can sell things online through a dropshipping business without keeping any inventory. You can create a website and collaborate with vendors who will take care of order fulfillment. Shopify is a significant clearinghouse for dropshipping and provides a one-stop shop. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.